today I have got the unboxing, I'm assuming in anyways, of the Beautybay £30 mystery box. I'm going to try and get this up as soon as, yeah, I have got next day delivery. I did purchase that last time, but I don't know whether these are available, but I am getting this up as soon as. If they're available, I'll have them linked down below. But as soon as, if they're not available, as soon as they are available again, I'll put them on my Instagram stories. I'll put them on my community here. So follow me on all my little socials. Yeah, because they have sold out before and came back in stock. So let's just get into unboxing this mystery box. I have unboxed the £35 one, which was absolutely amazing. Like, it was really good. So I'm excited to see what's in this. So I'm just gonna pull them out randomly. And the first thing we've got here, which is a duplicate, it is a brush. It is the Round the Blend blush brush. We got this in the £35 one. I'm positive we did. So that's a duplicate. We have got another facial type device. In the £35 one you get a gua sha. This is a roller by the looks of it. I'm just gonna get it all opened, and it's Beautybay brand. Yeah, and that is it there. I'm literally gonna put them away as Christmas presents, so fab. Then next we've got a bronzer. Oh, this is in the shade Beach. So this is what it looks like. Yeah. Oh, it looks quite a nice shade for me, actually. I quite like that shade. So that is the bronzer there. Fab. So next we've got another Disney palette, and this one is the Jungle Book. So this is it here. This looks really, really nice, to be honest. And then that is the shades there, very summery and spring-like, really pretty, all mattes, which I like actually, because sometimes I do like, I am a shimmer girl, but I do like an all matte look. Then next we've got another blusher, we got a blusher in the last one. This one is in the shade Peachy, and in the last one we got a coral shade. So this is a very nice shade. I really like the shade of that blusher actually. I love a good blush though, so that's nice. We are still going. We have got the Disney Colour Collection Shadow Stick Trio, and that is them there. So they're different to the ones we got in the other bag as well, which is always exciting because you don't want to get duplicates. I mean, you can get duplicates, but it's nice to get different. Do you know what I mean? We've got another matte lipstick. Then we've got a matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Gelato by the looks of it. So I think this is definitely different as well from the other one. This is like a pinky peachy shade, I think. Yeah, and that is a nice little colour. I'm very happy with that. Right, and I feel like this is the last item, and it is a big massive palette. So it's another big palette. Right, let's have a look, see what this is. So it is the Beautybay Bright palette. Oh my god, look at the size of this palette. Wow. This is a 42 colour palette, and this is what it looks like. Oh my god, how so pretty is this? It's got some shimmers, but it's got a lot of mattes in here. Like, it's got a good matte ratio. Like, there's a few shimmers, but there is good colour choices for matte as well. What a beautiful palette. So I'm going to run through everything we got you again in this £30 mystery box. So you got the big massive bright palette, you got the Jungle Book palette, the Disney colour pencils, colour crayons for your eyes, the powder blush in that peachy shade. Was it peachy? Peachy, I think it was peachy. Then the matte lipstick, and then you've got the eyeshadow brush, the facial roller, and then the bronzer. overall for £30 I think like you're getting a good chunk of money, like good chunk of items. Like I'm absolutely over the moon with this box. I think it's fab, definitely worth the money. I will say I think I preferred the £35 one for that extra £5. You're getting a few more items, and like you're getting the Jade palette, which is like a collaboration palette. Yeah, but overall both were like absolutely amazing. I don't feel like one bit that I got scammed for my money, if you know what I mean. I feel like I got a bargain. Yeah, so I'm over the moon with these. Let me know what you think of these. Did you manage to grab any of these? If they're still available, I will have them linked down below. If they're not, as soon as they do come available, or if they do come, like bring any other ones out, I will share on my socials. I always share deals and things like that on my socials. So I would love it if you subscribed down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.